It was back in 2021 when we communicated with Geely's R&D team to select the material of the Geely Radar RD6 pickup box. At that time, the Geely's R&D team was looking for a solution to build high-performance pickup boxes. Given our previous experience in the US market, and given the usage scenarios of this vehicle's targeted audience, we immediately proposed the use of Fortium F250-UV material. Thanks to its remarkable properties, this unique material is already used in the cargo boxes of many pickup trucks abroad, especially in North America, such as the Hyundai Santa Cruz and the Honda Ridgeline. Let us proceed with these experiments to show the properties of the material. First, let's speak about the resistance of this box. Our Fortium F250-UV is a high-strength thermosetting composite. It will enable the pickup to resist the impact of 200 kg weight. The advantage of this material is that it will remain intact under the impact. There will be no such a deformation as you may have if you use metal. This level of performance can be obtained because of more than 50% reinforcement in the composite using a high-performance resin. The very special molding process developed with our partners is ensuring high mechanical properties of the material are kept everywhere on the part. On closer inspection, we can see that the surface damage under the strong impact of the bricks is almost invisible because of the property given to the material by deep coloring and the use of the special resin with high hardness. We can get this property because of mass pigmentation through the wall thickness of the material. This result cannot be reached with any painted solution. Its chemical properties are more stable for different users' usage scenarios. Even if you accidentally drop sulfate, alcohol, diesel, brake fluid, salt water on the surface of the product in the container, after a few hours, the appearance and the structure of the material will not be seriously affected. In other words, with this material, you can go fishing in peace and use the trunk to load any equipment you have without worrying about damaging it. It is worth mentioning that the usage of the textured and non-slip surface can greatly reduce the risk of sliding when you climb in the box with your shoes. Secondly, let us speak about the heat resistance of the material. First, being a thermoset composite, this material is cured during the molding process and highly become thermoresistant. This is the most basic but specific property of this material. Its HDT is over 250 Celsius, which means that below this temperature, the material will have no any deformation, it will keep its rigidity. Secondly, this material is very stable in temperature. Its linear coefficient of thermal expansion being very close to the steel, there will be no any change on the dimension of the box between the hot summer and the cold winter. And because it is thermoset composite, its mechanical performance will not be affected by low temperature. This means that the same part made with thermoplastic will become brittle in a cold winter, not our Fortium F250-UV. Finally, let's look at the loading capacity of the Radar RD6 pickup box using this material. The official standard of the Radar RD6 is 450 kg. Here we are with 1000 kg of brakes, which is more than twice the official standard. We can see that thanks to the material's performance, the box is not deformed at all. So you have seen with the test we made that the material used for the box is a high-end material and performs very well for the user can use the car for whatever they want to do. We highly appreciate Geely to choose our material and we consider this car at the level of US cars. if you want to do gardening, if you want to go fishing or go in weekend with your family, that's the car you want.